Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. So first of all, we will go into the Instagram mobile application, click over here, and after that go to your account and you will see that here I have posted one picture. So I will just click on that. Click on the three dots which is on right side corner, just click here and click on edit. Okay, and after that on the top side right corner you will see that there is a two option, add paid promotion label and add location. Click on add paid partnership level. Okay, just click on that and click over here and you have to add brand partner, and after that you can just tag anyone you wanted to do. So I will just do paper. Okay, and after that here I will see account which I want to tag, which I want to collaborate, that is Papermate. Click over here, click on add, and after click on this arrow which is on top right side, just click on that, and after that click on this tick mark, and after that again click on tick mark, and see, after that you can see here that you can see that paid partnership with Papermate. So this is it guys, this is how you can add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. So I hope you found this video really helpful. If you then like this video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Goodbye.